Hey everybody, I'm Dan.
And I'm Carmen.
And together we made a channel called Exploring Dirt.
We thought we'd take a minute just to introduce ourselves and tell you a little bit about how we got started with the channel.
Yeah, it actually started a few years ago during COVID. Like most people, we decided we had to get out and explore because we couldn't do anything else. So we started going on the back roads and exploring in a old Jeep we used to have, which we really miss, but unfortunately do not have anymore. Yeah, and then as we started exploring more, we started finding that there were some really beautiful things in British Columbia, and we thought we should share it.
Yeah, so
here we are.
We just started recording. We have been doing this now for about a year, but not really seriously until about, I guess, 6 or 7 months ago.
Yeah.
And we really enjoy it. We've been to some amazing and beautiful places. We've found abandoned towns. We've been inside mines. Right now we are up in northern BC, just past Hyder, Alaska, actually at the Salmon Glacier, which is right behind us. It looks like a green screen. It's so beautiful up here.
It is gorgeous.
And that's why we just thought we love to share our experiences and where you go. And we go hiking, backpacking,
kayaking.
Yeah, backroading or soft roading.
We don't do a lot of four-wheel drive stuff, but we do a lot of FSRs and minor four-wheel driving.
Yeah, to a few forest fire lookouts and different places, mostly around BC. But right now we're on a 2-week vacation through northern BC. We've already seen some amazing places. We're on day 6 of our 16-day adventure, and we've already seen such really cool places. We hope we've got some great footage. The videos should be starting to come out soon, so we really hope that you join and share and watch and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah,
and continue and we'll continue to try to put out some great footage.
Yeah, so just a quick thank you to those who have subscribed and are watching our content. And if this is your first time coming across our channel, please hit that like button and please do subscribe, because we have some neat stuff coming up and we do not plan on stopping. There is so much to see in this province we're in of British Columbia, and we want to share it with you.
Yeah, and we're not experts at any of this by any means. We're learning as we go. We're trying different equipment. We've got a drone. We've got a little bit of drone footage, which we're still getting used to flying, the editing. But we have a lot of fun together exploring and editing the videos. So, yeah, please subscribe, like, and share. We really appreciate your support.
We really do. So anyway, thank you. And we're getting eaten by mosquitoes. So we're gonna move on before we get
right in front of
bombarded.
Yeah, they're coming back. They're after me. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Bye.